In primetime news this evening, major development in high-profile anti-corruption probe. Several persons arrested, charges also laid. Reactions pouring in as corruption probe deepens. We have the reactions of various stakeholders. And government dismisses claims there's a shortage of furniture and books at several schools.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening we have the top business stories of the day. Vashan Brown has our preview.
Thank you, Andrea. Gas prices going down tomorrow for the second straight week, but by how much? The details in the business day.
All right, thanks, Vashan. And from Vashan, we go to Jermaine for what's coming up in sports. Jermaine.
Well, thank you, Herman. The Reggae Girls continue to show why they are the queens of Caribbean football. They continue their Olympic journey.
All right, we also have sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what is your reaction to the police operation targeting Ruel Reid, Professor Fitz Pinnock, and others implicated in a multi-million-dollar fraud operation?
You may share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.